Statistics show that 3 million people die annually unnecessarily in hospitals across the world. This gathering seeks to correct this anomaly. But first, what's patient safety and why the need to develop such culture?
Patient safety is all about looking at how we can put care, preventive care in place, safe care in place to ensure that patients that come into our facility, they don't leave our facility by having healthcare associated infection or being victims of medical error.
The evolving complexities of medical care raises issues of increased chances of error. These challenge the working hours of healthcare workers, the state of technology in Nigeria, and medical tourism.
There's a need market here in Nigeria where, because our system has failed, people have no choice but to go abroad to access healthcare. First thing that government should be looking at is to increase the healthcare funding. When you have less than 5% of the national budget that's only been released for healthcare system in Nigeria, that's not it. If you look at the Abuja Declaration, which of course we even hosted, what the African Union talked about was to raise it to 15%.
A couple who lost their 2-year-old son due to medical negligence 2 years ago while receiving treatment for malaria narrate their story.
They had overloaded him with 500 mils of IV fluid, 4 bags of 500 mils of IV fluid. He was looking bloated and they told me, well, he's peeing, he's urinating, so he's fine. So they referred us, and when we got to the general hospital, immediately the doctor saw him. He just screamed, Lasix, Lasix, this boy needs Lasix. And as the nurse was getting Lasix, she put him on oxygen and he died barely 2 minutes after. He just died, you know. We started investigating, writing to the MDCN affidavits and counter affidavits from the doctor. Turns out the doctor who treated my child for 11 hours throughout that day was a quack.
America champions the commitment to eliminate preventable deaths by 2020. Advocates call for concerted efforts by government in Nigeria and health workers to eliminate preventable deaths. Reporting for STV News, David Alabi.